Hey there everybody, my name is Robert Schep. I'm a research entrepreneur and I'm stuck on this huge cruise ship. And I've been here for a while now, and the alarm bells are going off for a few hours. And we've learned that there's an iceberg ahead. And well, we kind of expected that the boat would change direction, because if we can hear the alarm bells here, then the captain can hear it as well. But somehow the boat doesn't change direction, and actually we felt the boat speeding up, and that of course worries us. And we started to look for the captain, because well, we kind of have to demand that he changes direction. But when we went and looked for the captain, we couldn't find him. There was just nobody even know who the captain was, where he was, or where the room was he's supposed to be in. So that's when real panic kind of struck in this boat here, and people started basically erupting in chaos. Everything is there are groups of people right now, trying to build their own boat to save themselves. There are people giving up and just jumping overboard right now. There are also people just continue drinking their cocktail because they just ignore the fact that there's an iceberg, or they don't believe there's an iceberg, or they think the technology is failing. And in all this chaos, I and some other people, actually, we have an idea to prevent this boat from hitting the iceberg. But since everybody's running around in chaos, nobody's really listening to us. So that's why I broadcast this message, and maybe I can find people this way to calm down and come join our effort to actually prevent the ship from hitting the iceberg. So here's what I'm proposing to do. I'm saying, like, well, we are on this big boat, yes, but this boat has an engine, and it is moving forward. So there's something running the show, and this is the engine. So we can find the engine, right? So let's find the engine, and we can build our own hydraulic system up, build our own steering wheel, and so we can steer away the boat from hitting the iceberg. And yes, that's complex, and it's going to be a huge effort, and we need a lot of people for that too, and a lot of expertise to build this hydraulic system. But still, it is a good shot, because in the end we didn't hit the iceberg yet. We still have a window. Also, the technology is saying we still have a window to do this. We just have to, everybody should stop running around in chaos and start working with us on this mission. So I hope this will work. Fingers crossed. I hope people will listen, and I hope people will help me. So, of course, I'm not on a big boat, and I'm not drinking cocktails, and but this analogy kind of tells you everything you need to know about what I'm trying to do with my project called Smartup Zero. And it is about building our own steering wheel, and I do think that really summarizes the effort what we're trying to do. We are trying to take power ourselves, and take power through creating our own technologies that can help us, support us humans to work better together in our effort to steer away from certain annihilation. Basically, our ecosystems are collapsing, cultural ones, natural ones mostly, of course. And we need to start experimenting with different ways of doing things. And this is exactly what I'm trying to do with my project. And in the next videos, I will introduce you way more concrete into what we are trying to do, and how we are trying to build our own steering wheel. But for now, this gives you the right mindset of what we try to do. If you're still interested, the goal of this video series is to get people work with us on building our new steering wheel. So we need all kinds of people, not only developers and researchers and academics. We need all kinds of people to join our effort, to help us get the funding, to help us progress, and to help us spreading the message. You can read up on everything on the website below here on the research part of it, and you can also go to this Facebook page to join the group and start talking to each other and me about what we're actually trying to do. I hope you're willing to help me. Let's build our own steering wheel. Cheers.